The best students think first, consult AI second. So ask yourself, are you thinking first? Good morning, everyone. My name is Janika Siang. I'm 14 years old, and I'm from Aii Language Center, Tong campus. Imagine this. It's 11:47 p.m. and your assignment is due at midnight. You're tired. You're stressed. You're out of ideas. So, what do? You open AI, type a question, and instantly, the perfect answer appears. Polished, complete, and ready to submit. No struggle, no thinking, and no effort. Sounds amazing, right? But let me ask you this. Is this really helping you learn, or is it helping you avoid learning? As a student, I use AI almost every single day. For homework, for ideas, even when I'm stuck and don't know where to start. At first, this sounded like the perfect solution. It made everything more faster and convenient. But over time, I came to wonder, am I actually learning, or am I just depending on it? So that's why today I want to talk about AI and its impact on student learning. Because it's something we all experience, whether we realize it or not. I'll be honest, I tried the easy way first. Back in 8th grade, I faced a math problem I just couldn't figure out. My first instinct? I let AI do all the work for me. I copied answers, followed steps, and thought, problem solved. But the next day, when I tried to solve a similar problem on my own, nothing worked. So that's when I came to realize something shocking. I didn't actually understand anything at all. I had the answers, but not the learning. How many of us has done that? How many times have we taken the shortcut only to realize it wasn't learning at all? So that's when I tried something different. I let AI explain the steps I didn't understand. I struggled. I made mistakes. I stared at my paper, frustrated, wondering, why can't I get this? Slowly, it clicked. It wasn't the answer that taught me. It was the effort, the struggle, and the persistence. Tell me, have you ever truly learned something without working for it? AI has changed learning like nothing before. It could solve problems in seconds, summarize textbooks, and even generate ideas on demand. Learning feels instant, reassuring, like a 24/7 tutor who never sleeps. But here's the thing. Not all use of AI is actually learning. A study in Indonesia found that 70% of students relied on AI for exam answers, but only 30% felt they actually learned. And this isn't just happening there, it's happening all over the world. Here's the danger. Treat AI as a shortcut, you risk dependence. Think about it. It's like going to the gym, but letting all the machines lift the weights for you. You're there, but you're not gaining any muscles. So I ask you, are you exercising your mind, or are you just watching it passively? Some ask, how does this work? Others ask, give me the answer so I don't have to think. Which one are you? Because the first one sharpens understanding, while the second one dulls it. AI can spark insight, or it can make you lazy. From my side, AI helped me see patterns I couldn't on my own. It gave me structure when I was lost, and it helped me express ideas I couldn't put into words. But I only truly learned when I engaged, questioned, and challenged it, not when I blindly accepted it. The best students think first, consult AI second. So ask yourself, are you thinking first? Now imagine this, a generation that can generate answers but can't explain them, can't solve problems, and can't think critically. Is that learning or dependence? If AI can give you everything, what will you truly remember tomorrow? Let's go back to that first day. 11:47 p.m., deadline looming, AI glowing. The answer is there, perfect and complete. But what do you truly want more? A finished assignment or an understanding that sticks with you for life? The future doesn't reward speed, it rewards insight. AI can spark insight or it can make you lazy. And the choice, it isn't in the tools, it's in you. Because in the end of the day, learning isn't about answers. It's about the effort, the struggle, and the persistence. It's about showing up even when no one is watching and refusing to stop growing. And that choice, made over and over, shapes who you truly become. Thank you for listening.